D&D crews are putting the finishing touches on demolition of the 100K river pump houses that once pulled more than 500,000 gallons of water per minute into the K-West and K-East reactor systems. CHPRC is demolishing the K-West and K-East river pump house structures, which have been in place for more than 6 decades. After completing asbestos abatement inside the structures and then demolishing the structures themselves, crews were left to cut up and move the 6 35-foot pumps to Erdif. Next up, the building sites will be backfilled and graded at both sites to match the surrounding terrain. The last phase before demolition takes place at what were once some of Hanford's most secret buildings, the so-called 2736 vault storage buildings at PFP. For years their existence was not known. Even those who worked in them couldn't tell their families what they did and where they went to work. The buildings were the last stop for the special nuclear material product after it was formed into pucks, like this video shows, and before shipment to the Rocky Flats plant. The pucks were stored in highly specialized storage areas as they waited their next step in the process at Rocky Flats for our nation's defense. For months, crews have been removing glove boxes and other debris to make way for total structural demolition. Just this past week, electricity and other utilities were verified to be cold and dark to make way for an October demolition. There are 4 main buildings and 2 ancillary buildings that make up the PFP Vault complex.